So we're here at Abhi's place, about to go on a massive bike ride. It's not a long bike ride, it's just around the Southwest. Got all our equipment ready, everything's here. We've got the cameras ready, we've got the helmet completely geared out. Just heading to meet all the guys at the petrol bunk, and then yeah, it's going to be an eventful ride. So make sure you watch to the end of the video. Might be a long one. Take care, guys. Okay, so we're here on this sunny day out on the Southwest Peninsula ride or rally with all the guys. So it's about 6 of us going from here, but there's close to 60 different riders on this ride. So the whole point of the ride is it's like a treasure hunt. You're going out and you're finding clues, and it's going to be a good ride. And all set, all the bikes are here. Most of them are clean except for Abhi's, but it happens. We're off, ladies and gentlemen. So we're here at the first stop, all of us, and whenever we stop, it's basically to get location of what's the thing. So the first one is St. Peter's in just made it to the second stop. So we're here in Borgall at the village hall, and the question was, when was it built? 27 June 1925. So that's 2 points done, few more to go. So Borgall's a really peaceful village. So the thing is why I can't hear properly is because I've got the buds in because of the ride. But coming in, like, you've got the sea, like the ocean on this one side. Like, hopefully with the stuff that I've got on the GoPro, you'll be able to see it. But yeah, like, amazing location. Would I do it on a bike ride again? I would. And it's been like really peaceful. And just looking at this place, like, so that behind me is the steepest road you'll find. The steepest gradient. It's about, it's the steepest road in the UK. And we've got all the guys over here behind me. Everyone's got their bike, everyone's got their maps. We're just looking at the map for the next clue where we're going. It's like completely planned out. now at the point 3, which is like the Hillsford Bridge. Like, how far is a fire hydrant from the bridge? So the answer is 4H12. But that was like a steep ride. Like, there were gradients of over 30. And going up and going down, I was like, yeah. It's getting a little cold. It's a little chilly, but it's quite nice. So there's a stream behind me. And it's like a really nice hill country. But these hills are steep. Hopefully you guys get to notice all these things. But yeah. So we made it for the first pit stop. Like, the bike's been really well. The view, the location, the ride, like really well planned out. So this is like the pit stop as well as the point for the question 4. So it's like a man point. And we've, like, most people are just coming here. So there are different points along the route, just waiting for the others before we go in and answer the questions. Whether it's have a quick pit stop, have something to eat, and then fuel up for the next leg of the ride. Anyways, hope you guys are enjoying this entire thing. Take care and enjoy the rest of the vlog. Hey guys, just here with Abhi at the 5th stop, waiting for the others to come. We're at the church, trying to get the square thing, waiting for the guys. We've got another team who've come, but it's not ours. So hopefully we didn't miss anything, but I think this was the 4th stop after the pit stop. Just reached stop 6. We're here at the village of Merton and still going strong. Still 3 more places to go. Everyone's here all together. The ride's been lovely and the whole place also looks stunning. Like, it's like a picturesque village. So now we're coming to the end. We finished 9 points, got 1 more. And then we're done with the ride. Everyone's still feeling healthy, chirpy, all good. The ride's been safe.
First one wasn't this bad.
It's been safe and so far so good.
It was faster, shit me up more.
And you gotta go thank Darren for the directions and stuff. We're here at checkpost number 10. We're done.
If it was just me, I would have done a bit of this and that with him on the back. No.
We've done the entire thing. Listen, Abhi's complaining that I've been a bad pillion, but actually I've been a very good pillion.
I could do what I want. With him on the back, no.
He's still complaining. It's still going. It's all empty chatter. But we've completed the thing. Now head back to the main point. Where? Abhi, so what bike are you riding, and a little bit about why you got into riding?
Yeah, I got into riding. Okay. I ride a Triumph Tiger 1200 Explorer. It's a 2015 edition. I've been riding for almost 22 years now. I just love to explore on two wheels. I enjoy being out on the road and feeling the wind. It's nice. It's nice to have a long day with friends. That's with me today. Oop.
Okay, Lee, just tell us a little bit about bike and why you got into riding.
It's a Honda CBF 1000 and got into riding because my dad actually, who's also with us today. Yeah, good fun, good laugh. It's alright when the weather's nice though.
So Lee had quite a little bobble, but he was able to recover, so there's no damages on the bike.
Don't tell people. It's a secret.
So this is Lee's dad, Martin. Martin, so what do you ride? And you've like basically got Lee into riding, so.
I'm riding a Honda Cross Runner.
And why did you get into riding?
So it's my job. I was mechanic, motorcycle mechanic,
Okay.
and just like riding.
Thanks, Martin.
I swear, they're good. What you don't want me on the thing?
So Darren, why do you get into riding? What do you ride? And you plan the route, so how does that happen?
I got Yamaha Super Tenere 1200, best bike on the road. And I got into biking because my grandfather used to ride, my mother's father, and my father used to ride as well. So I've ridden since I was a kid. So I've just kept riding.
And how do you plan the routes?
Look for some twisty roads. That's it.
The old-fashioned way on the map, or do you use apps and all?
No, I use apps as well. My route app is what I use.
Okay.
Which is really good. But yeah, I also like to use maps as well. Just check what. Oop, car coming. Hi.
So what do you ride, and what got you into biking?
Riding the trusty Africa Twin 1000 and always wanted to get into riding. Ever since I was young, I had a scooter, a little twist and go, and just wanted to get something a bit bigger and have a bit more fun. That's it, really.
Neil. So what got you into riding, and how do you what's your bike about?
Well, my bike is a Kawasaki ZZR 1400, and I got into riding because of COVID.